playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know.
Guys, welcome to my channel. So as per the title, we about to bleach the knots of this wig. As you can see, they're not bleach, and we're about to bleach it. I'm just gonna place it on this dome cap. I've actually put this paper bag on just so I can protect the actual canvas. So yeah, we are bleaching this. I'm gonna turn this because what you don't want is bleach from this end, then you're gonna bleach a part of the entire hair. What you want to do is turn it inside out like so, and I'm gonna do that and just pin this down. Okay, so the dye that I'll be using is this Putano, and it's actually this color, yeah, 733. That's the color that we're actually going for.
Tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay coordinate. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the border, and I don't
is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's